Hello guys, today we're gonna review this double layer egg container. So material is pretty solid. Took me what a couple minutes to assemble it. So this bottom and then put this plastic, then this one and then this one. So putting some eggs is easy. So just remove the top and then put the egg. Then getting an egg. Let's see. And they automatically slide, so which is good. Check it out. Yep, pretty easy to get egg, no problem there. And once you have this on the fridge, you can put something in here. And I think, well, not too heavy, but something light. Alright guys, yeah, pretty space saving, so we don't need to have these boxes in here. Throw them away, put them in there, nice and clean. Thank you guys.